Hello, my name is Henry. I will be your guide for today's session. I studied meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on, is it normal to feel frustrated when I can't focus? Let's begin. Find a comfortable, hopefully quiet seating area. Back erect, head facing forward, eyes closed, mouth closed, breathing through the nose, and we'll bring our awareness to the tips of the nostrils, observing the breath as it passes the tips of the nostrils as we exhale and we inhale. Yes, frustration is a natural response for beginners. Instead of resisting this feeling, acknowledge it and then let it pass. Focus on the act of breathing, or gently bring your awareness back to your meditation practice by use of mantra, sound, color, whatever your practice currently involves. Remember, there's no perfect meditation. Progress comes with consistency and self-compassion. Bring your awareness to the tips of the nostrils. This is the practice of meditation that leads to deeper and deeper meditation practices. Wherever you are in your meditation practice, be there as best as you can. Keeping your awareness on the tips of your nostrils. And now we'll observe the air as it flows from the tips of the nostrils, and we'll follow it as it goes down the esophagus and into the lungs. And we want to feel the lower part of the lungs that extends down into the stomach region. And as we exhale, the abdomen and stomach area contracts as the lower lungs force the air back up the esophagus and pass through the nose. We're breathing normally. We're relaxed. Maybe our breath is a little deeper. And we'll keep this awareness on the tips of the nostrils. Feeling frustrated is a normal emotion. We feel it as humans. Animals feel it. Meditation is an opportunity to allow this feeling to pass. Once we get into the habit of allowing this feeling to pass, whenever it shows up in other parts of our lives, it will pass just as easily as it does here if we are able to maintain focus and simply observe, keeping your awareness on the tips of the nostrils. And now we'll bring our awareness to the lower legs. Relax the lower legs. Relax the upper legs. Relax the pelvis and the hip area. Relax the stomach. Relax the chest and the heart center. Relax the shoulders. Relax the jaw and the corners of the mouth. Relax the forehead. Bring your awareness back to the tips of your nostrils. Namaste.